In this video we will learn how to create asset return request in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the Asset module on top navigation bar. So here you can see Asset Return Request form. Click on the Apply for Return Asset button. Select the employee from drop-down. Asset type drop-down will autofill all the mapped assets. Select the one to return. Enter a description for asset return request. Click on Submit button. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successful.